Hey everyone, let's talk about money, not the kind you scroll past on Instagram, but the kind that actually grows in your wallet. Today, we're breaking down income, expenses, and budgeting basics, the ultimate guide to take control of your cash. Section 1: Income. First up, income. Think of income as all the money coming into you. It's like a river flowing into your bank account. Income comes in many forms: your salary or wages from a job, freelance payments or side hustles, bonuses, tips, or commissions, passive income like investments or interest. Basically, anything that adds money to your pocket counts as income. The more streams, the bigger the river. Section 2: Expenses. Next, we have expenses. These are all the things money flows out for your outgoing river. Expenses are usually split into 1. Fixed expenses, bills that stay the same every month, like rent, subscriptions, or loan payments. 2. Variable expenses, add things that change monthly, like groceries, fuel, or eating out. 3. Discretionary expenses, fun stuff, coffee runs, shopping sprees, or Netflix binging. Don't worry, we all have them. If your expenses are bigger than your income, your river dries up fast. That's why budgeting is key. Section 3: Budgeting basics. So how do we control the flow? Enter budgeting. Budgeting is basically a game plan for your money. It helps you decide how much to save, how much to spend, how much to invest. A simple way to start is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, bills, groceries. 30% for wants, entertainment, shopping, treats. 20% for savings or debt repayment. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. When you know where your money goes, you can spend wisely, save consistently, and still enjoy life. Section 4: Quick tips. Here are a few quick tips to make your budget work like magic. 1. Track every expense for at least a month, yes, even that $2 snack. 2. Automate savings, out of sight, out of mind. 3. Review your budget monthly and adjust. Life changes, and your budget should too. 4. Remember, small savings add up. That coffee money could grow into a side hustle fund. Summary. And that's it. Income is the money flowing in, expenses are the money flowing out, and budgeting is the bridge that keeps everything balanced. Start today, and soon your money will be working for you, not the other way around. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it, because financial freedom starts with knowing the basics.